really understanding the pain points of the founder or that business owner. And in this solution, we're actually working with bigger companies. It's not as I thought actually that there would be a great solution in place for bigger multi-global companies, but they don't. They might have great consultants and they might have great maybe attorneys or maybe legal teams that help them. And the big frustration that they had is when it comes to actually executing it on the ground, who do they need to go to? Do they need to employ a CFO in South Africa that costs them a few million or million a year just to oversee this? But what about the basic things that need to be in place? And so it was more an execution problem that they ran into that we were able to solve, to say, if we cannot have almost a one-stop shop, a full journey, a full product, working with partners, if we cannot solve the whole equation, there's always going to be a little bit of a frustration from a client point of view, saying that you're only taking me to, it's almost like halfway through the river, but like then I'm still drowning. Like you have to take them from land to land on the other side. Otherwise they're just going to drown in the river.